तो आज हम फ्लूइड मोज़ाइक मॉडल पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेड मॉडल ऑफ बायोमेम्ब्रेन गिवन बाय S.J. Singer and G.L. Nicholson in 1972. This is the most accepted model for the cell membrane. Now, what the important feature of this model are there? Now, let us see one by one. पहला पॉइंट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, द थिकनेस ऑफ द मेम्ब्रेन इज 75 angstrom to up to 100 between that, and this membrane has very important point. It is quasi fluid model. ओके, एंड दिस क्वेसी फ्लूइड का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट यू मीन? फ्लूइड का मतलब है मोबिलिटी, एंड क्वेसी मीन्स सम सॉलिड सब्सटेंस आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मेम्ब्रेन. Okay, on the basis of the mobility and the presence of tile-like structure over the surface or inside the membrane, this is called as a quasi model. Okay, now this membrane easily divided into following part. ठीक, first important regarding this model is fluid nature, number one. Okay, and number two is your mosaic nature, and number third one is glycocalyx, and I will tell you one by one. Okay, now let us see the generalized structure of the cell membrane. As I already told you, the total thickness is 75 angstrom, and that is divisible into 2. If you see the membrane, it looks like this. The cell is there. This membrane is very thin, not visible under an ordinary microscope, only under electron microscopic, because it's having only 75 angstrom. It has following most dark thick layer, and in between is light layer. This one is dark, this one is dark, this light. And as you see in the picture, we have got a phospholipid molecule just bilayer, because there are two layers are there, and on the outer side we have a protein layer, and also on the inner side we have a protein layer. Outer one is dark, inner one is dark, and while the middle one जो है that is your light in color, and the thickness of the 20 angstrom outer protein, 20 angstrom inner protein, and lipid constitute 35 angstrom, so the total comes to 75 angstrom. Now, how do we have to have a fluidity? The fluidity of the membrane is due to the presence of ocean of phospholipid molecule. Now, you want to know what phospholipid molecule क्या होते हैं, उसके बारे में हम आपको बता रहे हैं. अगर आपको याद है, these are the trityl phospholipid glyceride, these are the glycerides. Okay, glycerides, and the carbon number 1 that has got a H3PO4, inorganic phosphate acid is attached to the first carbon of the glucose. ठीक, glycerol. Now this glycerol, second carbon and third carbon, they have got a long chain of fatty acid. So these are the triglyceride, and here the two glyceride are there, and one carbon having a आपका phosphoric acid है. ये जो phosphoric acid होता है, it is a charged, ठीक, and due to the presence of charge, negative charge, this phospholipid molecule has polar end, ठीक है, and while the inner one is your non-polar tail. Always remember, phospholipid is a amphipathic molecule. What type of amphipathic molecule? The molecule which having two poles. One is polar, other is non-polar. Polar always just have a charge, while the non-polar have no charge at all. Okay. Another very important point regarding the phospholipid, that the hydrophilic. This polar head is hydrophilic in nature, while the non-polar tail is hydrophobic in nature. Yani we can have it towards the aquatic bottom, and in between that there is no water at all. As you see in this lipid layer, that this was the hydrophobic area. Here water cannot penetrate. Okay, outside it is the aqueous, yani aqueous, and here is aqueous. बाहर भी एक्वस है, पानी जली है, अंदर भी जली है. तो बिटवीन टू एक्वस मटेरियल वी हैव गॉट दिस मेम्ब्रेन. ये जो आपकी जो है हाइड्रोफोबिक नेचर होती है. तो ये क्वालिटी है, और ये जो फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, ये लगातार जो है अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज करते रहते हैं. आई मस्ट ऐड ओवर हियर, दिस इज द फ्लूइड नेचर. पहला पॉइंट है बाई लेयर ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड लेयर. इट मे ऑल्सो हैव अटैच्ड कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड स्फिंगोलिपिड आल्सो आर देयर, एंड बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर एलिमेंट जो है वो आपका ये फॉस्फोलिपिड लेयर ही है. दिस ये जो बाई लेयर जो होती है कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंज होती रहती है. इट इज नॉट जस्ट ए कॉन्स्टेंट और रिजिड, ऑलवेज गोइंग ऑन चेंज, हैविंग ए डायनेमिक नेचर. वाई? ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट ऑफ द फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल. दीज फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल शो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्रांस बाई लेयर मेम्ब्रेन. दीज आर मूवमेंट आर फ्लिप एंड फ्लॉप. फ्लिप का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे ये आपका एक मॉलिक्यूल फॉस्फोलिपिड है, ये अगर ये अंदर की ओर खिसकता है नीचे वाली तो आप इसको कहते हैं फ्लिप, देन वी कॉल इट इज ए फ्लिप. ठीक है. और अगर ये फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल खिसक करके ऊपर की ओर जाता है देन वी से इट एज ए फ्लिप. सो द फ्लिप एंड फ्लिप फ्लॉप मूवमेंट आर ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट ऑफ द फॉस्फोलिपिड मॉलिक्यूल इन द हाइड्रोफोबिक लेयर. Okay, and that is why it maintains the fluid nature only due to the flip flop movement of the phospholipids. This is the first point is clear to you now. Having 35 angstrom and hydrophobic in nature. Now let us have a, why do we call it as a mosaic nature? Mosaic nature of the bioluminescence is due to presence of large number of the protein. They have much more higher molecular weight than that of the phospholipid. Okay, and these protein layer dark in color, outer side it is also 20 angstrom, it is also 20 angstrom. Now what is the arrangement of these large molecule? Either they are embedded, take partly or completely. Just see here, this protein molecule is partially embedded, only in the upper half is present, while another one is completely trans bilayer form, and it is called integral. And why? These are the extrinsic protein present on the outside and having two types of protein, integral protein, extrinsic protein. Integral protein are either partly embedded or completely. ठीक है. completely का मतलब trans पूरे bilayer, and extrinsic protein जो होती हैं they are present on the surface of the layer. Extrinsic protein are more on the inner side than that of the outside. Okay, now what is the advantage of this protein? These protein molecules are also moving from place to place, and they are also attached to another very important, that is the carbohydrate. And this carbohydrate attached to either protein or to the lipid. If it is attached to the protein, then you say it is a glycolipid, glycoprotein. Glyco what is common? Glycoprotein and glycolipid. Protein attached to carbohydrate, glycoprotein. Proteins के बाद lipid attached to carbohydrate, you say glycolipids. These two types of molecule are highly branched and present over the surface area. They are meant to just to have a recognition of the other outside environment. किसी चीज़ को लेना है या नहीं लेना है या चार्ज बढ़ाना है, कुछ भी करना है, तो आपके पास ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप जो है ग्लाइकोलिपिड को या ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन को ले लें. अगर आपको चार्ज लाना है मेम्ब्रेन, जैसे आपको पॉजिटिवली चार्ज करना है, नेगेटिवली चार्ज करना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, प्रोटीन के साथ जो है आप नेगेटिवली चार्ज अमीनो एसिड को लेंगे, या अगर पॉजिटिव करना है तो आप प्रोटोनेटेड अमीनो एसिड को लेंगे, तो वो चार्ज करने में बहुत ही बड़ा. इसीलिए जो है ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स को हम लोग रिकॉग्निशन लेयर कहते हैं. इट इज़ ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट ऑन द surface of the layer, outer layer, and attached to the protein molecule. Okay, so this is a very simple introduction about the fluid mosaic model of the Singer and Nicholson. Remember, fluid in nature due to phospholipid, and mosaic nature due to the protein either partly or completely embedded, and glycocalyx outermost that help in the recognition of the external environment. Okay, this is the most important structure of the fluid mosaic model of Singer and Nicholson. Now the next one I will take up the another.